shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty. Go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag. Okay, shorty, 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 okay, shorty. Go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl OohlaLa'Cheri back with another video. And today's video, I'm going to be using the professional inspired Olaplex. I don't know if you can see that, but it is a salon treatment. It's an intensive bond building hair treatment, and it's supposed to prime, repair, strengthen, and protect all hair types. And I heard it was like really good. It's not cheap, but it's it was like $30, I think, and it has to be used in conjunction with number 3. So again, this is 0. They include a sample of number 3. I hope it's enough to cover my full head. So the directions of use is to apply number 0 to dry hair, saturate from the root to tip, leave on hair for 10 minutes, do not rinse. Apply a generous amount of number 3 hair perfector to saturated hair and wait 10 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and condition as usual with Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. So I don't have their shampoo or conditioner. I'm supposed to saturate with this. And this is supposed to be enough for 2 uses. So it's a pretty big size bottle. Let me see. So it's 5.2 ounces. And they only give you 1 ounce of this, which is, they said this is supposed to be saturated, or your hair is supposed to be saturated with this. I usually get my hair trimmed every few months, and this year I've only gotten it trimmed once, and she had to take off a lot. So she told me she needed to take off 4 to 5 inches before we even got started. So I don't have any other chemicals or anything in my hair. It's just the damage just came from me not getting it trimmed as often as I used to, I'm assuming. I don't know. I don't really put that much heat on it. Once I straighten it out, it usually lasts for a little while. So I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. And maybe I should have a towel around me. I don't know. I have on a shirt that is like trash. So I don't care about that. I wonder if this has a smell. Ooh. Oh, so it comes right open. It's not like anything that you have to break off. I have to smell it just because it's... It don't smell like anything at all. So again, this is my first time using it. I actually saw a YouTuber use it. Sierra is her name. And she has a lot of hair, but she colors her hair often, and so she tried this and she said it was like amazing just from her first use. So as you can see, I mean, you can't see in the back, but my ends are really crisp. But oh, that shocked me. Oh, I'm gonna have to use a lot of this. Okay. It smells like something I've used on my hair before, but it's not really strong, whatever it is. So wait. Apply to dry hair, saturate from root to tip, leave on hair for 10 minutes, do not rinse. Okay, I'm not using this little applicator thingy. I'm just pouring this in my... I wonder if I could spray it on. I'm always breaking the rules. Let me do it this way. I'm gonna waste a lot of product doing it that way. Okay. A little too expensive to just be reckless with, so I'm gonna go ahead and do what I'm supposed to do. Again, this was 30 bucks, and it has to saturate, but it doesn't come out fast enough for me. I'm gonna spray bottle. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. And I'm definitely leaving it in for longer than 10 minutes. So I'm gonna saturate my hair with this, and I will come back before I put this on. So I'm gonna go ahead, this stuff, like the next time I use it, I'm absolutely gonna put it in a spray bottle. So I'm going to use this. They had a little cover over the top of it. Oh, this smells a little better. But it's supposed to be a generous amount. Literally, this feels like it was almost half of this, so I don't know what they call generous. Leaving this on for 10 minutes. And as I wash and blow dry, I will let you guys know if it feels any different, if it's something worth investing in, or is it something that we need to leave in Sephora. Okay, y'all, so it's been 10 minutes. This stuff has been sitting in my hair, and it makes it, it's like a sticky feeling almost. And it doesn't smell bad. I'm gonna go ahead and wash and condition before it dries, and I will be back with my review shortly. Okay, y'all, so I'm back after doing the Olaplex bond treatment, and I don't know what I possibly could have done wrong, but it was so, my hair was so tangled when I when I shampooed it. Like, after I put this stuff in, I mean, I didn't notice really a difference in the texture. Like, I watched other videos and people said like they immediately felt like their hair felt stronger. I didn't get that. And it was so difficult to detangle. My hair has never given me such a hard time. So I don't know. Again, I don't think I did anything wrong. It's pretty straightforward. Put the shit in, wash it out. I put it in, I let it sit. I didn't even go over the time like I said I would. Like, I didn't go way over or go crazy. I usually leave products in overnight, especially if I feel like it's, you know, when I wash my hair too late and I don't feel like being bothered with it. But yeah, I'm not doing it again. I don't know that I did anything wrong to cause the detangling or the hair to tangle the way it did. It was like matted almost, and I don't even know how that's even possible. It was so hard to comb through. So I'm giving that a thumbs down. I'm not trying it again. My hair still looks the same as it usually does after it's been washed and conditioned and that. So it didn't work for me. Maybe it's for people, I don't know. It's supposed to be for all hair types. Didn't work for your girl. Again, Olaplex is a no-go. Can't get my money back. Wasted my time. But hey, I tried it. I was interested, and I just know now not to do it again. So hopefully, if you guys like my content or would like to see me again, you guys should like, comment, subscribe, ring the post notification bell, and I will be bringing more content to you soon. Bye, guys.